Then we got this ball, really feely. We got 2 more these. If you watch part 1 and 2, I think, you'll see that I had these. I forgot what they're called because I'm dumb. And we got this. So yeah, it's just a colour thing, and then you can make it go crazy. You could probably make a cube. Fidget spinner. More beans. This thing, you stick 2 things together, make a pop if you can get it. Just right like I've just done, it goes. It stays and then it breaks from here. It's going in the dark, mate.